Want to create an events page on your Wix site? Here's how to set up Wix events step by step. Start by logging into your Wix dashboard and opening your website. Go to the App Market and search for Wix events. Then click Add to Site to install it. Once added, Wix will automatically create an events page on your website. Next, go to your dashboard events and click Create Event. Enter all the important details such as event name, date, time, location, and description. You can also add images, set ticket pricing, or make the event free. After filling in everything, click Save and then Publish Event. Finally, go back to your site editor to customize how the events page looks. You can adjust layout, design, and display settings. Preview your site to make sure everything is working correctly and that visitors can view and register for your events. Now you know how to set up a Wix events page and start managing events on your website. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.